Welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, we will show you how to replace text in GIMP step by step in a simple way you can follow. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to easily remove old text and add new text to your image. Step 1. Select the Clone tool from the toolbox. This tool lets you paint over the old text by copying pixels from another area of the image, making the text disappear naturally. Make sure alignment is set to fixed. Step 2. Hold down the Control key and click on a clean part of the image to set the source point. This tells GIMP where to copy from. Without setting this point, the tool will not know what area to clone, so this step is necessary. Step 3. Carefully paint over the old text using the Clone tool. Move slowly and cover the entire area where the text was placed. This step ensures the background looks even and ready for the new text. Step 4. Select the Text tool from the toolbox. Click on the area where you want the new text and start typing. You can adjust the font, size, and color from the tool options to match your design and make the text stand out. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more tutorials.